AnyLogs is a face recognition-based attendance and timesheet logging system that is fast, easy and simple for users. In this video, we'll explain the setup and onboarding process. First step is to go to AnyLogs.com and sign up for a free account. AnyLogs provides a lifetime free license to all its users with basic attendance and timesheet logging features. Users will be asked to enter account details, company details, and device mode. AnyLogs supports 3 device modes for clocking time. These are Kiosk, Mobile, and WhatsApp. Kiosk mode is where all members check in from a single shared device. Mobile mode is where each member checks in from his or her own mobile device using AnyLogs app. WhatsApp mode, where each member checks in on AnyLogs WhatsApp channel. Once check-in is complete, users need to confirm their registered email to activate the account. Please note that unless activation is completed, users cannot access any features on the platform. Once email is activated, follow through the steps mentioned in the onboarding widget. Second step in the onboarding process is to add members in the members section. To add a new member, click on the Add Member button on the top right corner. To edit an existing member, click on the edit link of the respective member. AnyLogs works on artificial intelligence-based facial recognition technology. To onboard a new member, a user needs to upload 3 pictures of the member. To know more about adding a new member, please check a separate video on the topic. Links are attached in description. Once members are onboarded, click on the Download App button to the left side of menu bar. Download the Android or iOS version of both Kiosk or mobile app by scanning the QR codes from your mobile. Log into the Kiosk app using your existing credentials. Click on the Check-in or Check-out button and wait for the face to be recognized. To know more about AnyLogs Kiosk and AnyLogs user apps, please refer to videos on the topic. Links are attached in description. In case you have any queries, please reach out to us at support@anylogs.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.